Yes, today we're working on a KitchenAid fridge that was not cooling, and when we showed up found this chunk of ice right there, and so we'll defrost it a little bit and take that panel off and look how it looks inside to check if it's maybe condensation or maybe there is a leak or restriction in the refrigerant. So we'll defrost that and find out. Okay, so we defrosted that piece of ice that was over the cover, and that's how that's how the evaporator looked like. So the evaporator coils actually looks just fine, but at the same time there's this piece of ice there in the corner, which is not a good sign. So we'll defrost it, and I think they have more life out of this fridge, but this is a sign of potentially a leak in that area or a restriction, even though right now the coils looks just fine, but it might be the beginning of the end of this fridge. But we'll defrost it and let them use it, and we'll monitor and see how much more life they will get out of it. But yes, the coils looks nice, so it's still gonna work for them.